Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best negative film scanners. Negative scanners are a great way to help you preserve your memories and share them with others. There is nothing worse than opening up an old photo album to find that the photos have yellowed or faded away entirely. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best negative film scanners. Number 1. Kodak Scanza Digital Negative Film Scanners. The Kodak Scanza is a basic film/slide scanner that is well made. It comes complete with a generous array of accessories and can save digitized images on an SD card. The Kodak Scanza includes an assortment of interface cables and negative adapters. Allows you to adjust the color, brightness, and resolution manually. The adapter transfers images from your microSD card to any computer or compatible device through the USB port. Number 2. Kodak Slide Negative Film Scanners. The Kodak Scanza is a simple, non-professional film scanner. This super smart device comes with a 5 LCD screen that displays large, crystal-clear photos at any time. As a result, you will have a better view of your pictures while scanning them. It is designed with a quick feeding tray to provide the users. Get creative, add filters, adjust color/brightness, or set an exact date to share memories exactly as they happened. Number 3. Kodak Mini Digital Negative Film Scanners. Kodak Mini Digital Film and Slide Scanner is compatible with multiple film types. It comes with a mini USB connection, ensuring quick loading speeds when turning those images into digital format. This fantastic new scanning solution is no joke. Place whatever you want to scan. Built-in 14-megapixel sensor for stunning image capture ability. This model of Kodak is the most powerful scanner than other medium format film scanners on the market. Number 4. Magnasonic Negative Film Scanners. Magnasonic all-in-one high-resolution 22MP film scanner. It scans negatives of 35mm, 135 films, 126 kpk film, 110 films, Super 8 film slides with just one button press. The built-in 2-inch LCD screen lets you view scanned photos on a larger. The built-in 14-megapixel sensor ensures trouble-free performance. You can even select their pre-installed profiles to get an exact rendition of color with minimal editing software. Number 5. Wolverine F2D Saturn Digital Negative Film Scanners. Wolverine F2D Saturn Digital Film and Slide Scanner. The negative photo scanner is lightweight and includes a slide adapter for quick scanning of slides. Additionally, Wolverine F2D has an impressive 4.3-inch color LCD screen. Support different operating systems to ensure convenience. The exposure can be set manually or automatically. Color adjustment has automatic options as well.